fabulous Foodie Phonics friends. I hope you're all having a fabulous day. We're learning about the letter R today. That kind of sounds like a pirate, doesn't it? Let me show you what letter R looks like. Over here we have the big letter R for names like Rudolph and Brunel. And we have the small letter R for words like rabbit or raspberries or rocks. I wonder if you can think of anything else that starts with the letter R. It makes a R sound. Did you hear when we said rocks, we started with a R? Rocks. I have a few rocks over here. You can see I've painted some of them red. R for red, R for rocks. Okay, let's have a look what else I have on my table over here. I have rosemary, which is something we cook with. I love the smell of rosemary. Oh, it smells like fresh herbs from the garden. And over here I have some red raspberries. R for red, R for raspberries. Before we get to cook with our raspberries, would you like to try and draw the shape of letter R? Let's have a look. I'll just get my whiteboard back here and my marker. Quite an easy one to write. We'll start at the middle, and we'll go straight down, just a short line, and then straight back up and a little curve. How easy is letter R? Makes a R sound. Would you like to see that again? Straight down a short line, back up and a curve. Letter R. You can trace the letter R in the air with your finger if you'd like. I'll bring it a little closer for you. Follow the lines with your finger. From the top of the line, go down, then up and curve. Letter R makes a R sound in words. What we're going to make today is called rocking raspberries. If you can't find raspberries in your supermarket, because the shops seem to be a little bit empty these days, there's not a lot of food on their shelves at the moment, but I managed to find the raspberries. You can use any berries or fruit that you like. You can use blueberries or sultanas, or you can even use some coconut if you want to. I like coconut in my rocking raspberries. We're going to start with a small bowl of cereal, maybe a cup or however much you feel like. Any cereal you like, whether it's rice bubbles or Fruit Loops or Wheat Bix that you break up. Mine's a bowl of muesli today. I'm going to tip my muesli into my mixing bowl. There it is. And then I'm going to tip, maybe not all of my coconut. Let's see, maybe half of that. Actually, yes, I'm going to mix all of my coconut into my mixing bowl. I'm going to give it a stir. There we go, I'm mixing the coconut and the muesli together. And then what I'm going to do is cut my raspberries in half. And because I need to use my fingers to hold the raspberries, I need to wash them first. So I'll just use my disinfectant wipes to clean away any germs that might be on my hands, palms of my hands, the top of my hands, and in between my fingers on both hands. Now my hands are clean. Oh, look, there are red roses in my bin today. R for red, R for roses. Okay, here's my punnet of raspberries. They're quite big berries, so they're too big for my muesli and coconut blend, so I'm going to just cut them in half. If you have fruit that's too big, you might be able to help Mummy and Daddy, because fruit is soft, or at least berries are soft. You only need a blunt knife to cut them. So, in half my raspberries go. There you are. Whoops. I had one whole raspberry, and I've cut it into two halves. From one whole one to two halves. Okay, I'll do that with a few more. In half. They're looking good. In half again. in half. I'm just going to do a few more. Oh, this one's really big, like a strawberry. I might cut this one into quarters. That means 4 equal pieces. Would you like to have a look? I'll put it in this bowl. There you are. I've cut my raspberry into 4 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's into quarters. There we go. Onto the plate it goes. A few more. Nearly ready for my rocking raspberry mixture. And maybe that'll be my last one. There we are. I have my raspberries all cut and ready to go into the muesli and coconut blend. I'll tip them in. There we go. Oops, that last one just doesn't want to go in, does it? That's okay. I'll use my spoon and scoop it into the bowl. And then I can mix my raspberries up into my muesli and coconut blend. Now you can see they're very crumbly and they're not sticking together. So I need to add some coconut oil. You can use margarine or butter if you'd like. I prefer to use coconut oil. There we go. I have 1 spoon in and another spoon. 2 spoons of coconut oil into my raspberry muesli coconut blend. And you have to mix up the coconut oil or the margarine or butter until it all sticks together like rocking cookies, like Rocky Road, except we're using raspberries and muesli or cereal. There we go. Nearly ready. Then for a bit of extra flavor, I'm going to add some cinnamon, just a sprinkle. Oh, my lid has a seal in it because it's a brand new bottle of cinnamon, so I'll just, whoops, take it off. Cinnamon reminds me of eating donuts, aren't they delicious? But our muesli, raspberry muesli, is way healthier than donuts. So I'm just going to mix that cinnamon in. Sorry, had my bowl a little bit too low for you. There we go. And then last of all, I like to add a little bit of honey. It helps to stick the mixture together and it makes it a little bit sweeter. Just a little drizzle, not much. Then we're going to mix the honey together with my rocking raspberries. And then all I have to do is put spoonfuls of my rocking raspberry mixture into a container, and then I put them into the fridge. And in a couple of hours, my rocking raspberries will be ready for afternoon tea. I'll show you when the mixture is all in. Okay. Whoopsie daisy, I'm going to have to vacuum my carpet when I'm finished. Okay, maybe I'll scoop it all in. Can you see? If not, I'll show you in just a minute. There we go. There are our rocking raspberries. I'm just going to smooth the mixture flat into the container. And then when they go solid in the fridge, I can cut them into slices, kind of like muesli bars, protein bars. My container was a little bit too big. So if you want to make a bigger container full, you just need maybe 2 cups of your cereal. And whatever other ingredients you can double up as well. You can add anything you like in here. Maybe you like to have dates, or what else can you think of that can go in our rocking raspberry bars? There we go. Nice and solid and square. That's going to go in my fridge, and I'm going to have some delicious rocking raspberries for afternoon tea. Thanks for joining me today, Foodie Phonics. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for more cooking adventures. Bye for now.